Okay, so this is our litter boat project that we've been working on. This is a Horizon Hobby harbor tugboat. We've modified it here to have a lot of channels in it. It also set to run off of a Milwaukee M18 5.0 battery, and we have an FPV camera obviously set up on the top. Along with that, we've got a winch here in the back, and that's the important part for this video. So the whole point of the tug is to push this out to get trash. The tug is going to connect down here on the bottom. It's going to push this barge out to the shore, and then the crane arm here is going to reach out, grab the trash, bring it back, drop it in here so that we can properly dispose of it back on shore. This thing is still a work in progress, but since it's not working, we have some other stuff we can do with it. Now, since we're not using this all the time for the trash barge, we're going to use it for other things, such as fishing. This right here is a Deeper Pro 2 sonar. It has GPS on it and connects via Wi-Fi, which is another part of this video, which is kind of important. Anyway, we've been trying to get this to work correctly. We had it mounted on the front. We built custom mounts to do that we see right here. But if we mount it on the back, we should be able to get better reception and hopefully better signal and better contours. Now, we built this thing to do that. This piece, the sonar fits right here, just like so, and then it attaches to the boat via the winch right there. The winch lets out, say, 4 or 5 feet of line, and then we'll drag this behind it slowly and map the contour of the seabed as well as looking for fish. This is made of pool noodles with a PVC core that's hollow in the middle. And then obviously we have these gray parts which are all printed out. This was tested today, it works good, and we'll attach that video here on the end of this.